Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn 50 flowers names and easy English sentences. Flowers are colorful, beautiful, fragrant, wonderful gifts from nature. These easy English sentences will help kids improve speaking skill, learn flower name easily, and build English vocabulary. Are you ready kids? Let's discover the beautiful world of flowers together. Let's start. Flower vocabulary sentences. Rose. The rose is red.
Rose. The rose is red.
Sunflower. The sunflower is tall.
Sunflower. The sunflower is tall.
Tulip. The tulip looks beautiful.
Tulip. The tulip looks beautiful.
Daisy. The daisy is white and yellow.
Daisy. The daisy is white and yellow.
Lily. The lily smells sweet.
Lily. The lily smells sweet.
Lotus. The lotus grows in water.
Lotus. The lotus grows in water.
Jasmine. Jasmine flowers smell wonderful.
Jasmine. Jasmine flower smells wonderful.
Marigold. The marigold is bright orange.
Marigold. The marigold is bright orange.
Orchid. The orchid is colorful.
Orchid. The orchid is colorful.
Hibiscus. The hibiscus is large and pretty.
Hibiscus. The hibiscus is large and pretty.
Colorful flowers. Lavender. Lavender smells relaxing.
Lavender. Lavender smells relaxing.
Daffodil. The daffodil blooms in spring.
Daffodil. The daffodil blooms in spring.
Poppy. The poppy is bright red.
Poppy. The poppy is bright red.
Peony. The peony has soft petals.
Peony. The peony has soft petals.
Carnation. The carnation is pink.
Carnation. The carnation is pink.
Iris. The iris is purple and blue.
Iris. The iris is purple and blue.
Bluebell. Bluebells grow in gardens.
Bluebell. Bluebells grow in garden.
Zinnia. The zinnia attracts butterflies.
Zinnia. The zinnia attracts butterflies.
Petunia. Petunia come in many colors.
Petunia. Petunia come in many colors.
Geranium. The geranium grows in pots.
Geranium. The geranium grows in pots.
Garden flowers. Chrysanthemum. The chrysanthemum blooms in autumn. Begonia. The begonia has bright flowers.
Begonia. The begonia has bright flowers.
Camellia. The camellia looks lovely.
Camellia. The camellia looks lovely.
Snapdragon. The snapdragon has unique petals.
Snapdragon. The snapdragon has unique petals.
Morning glory. The morning glory blooms early.
Morning glory. The morning glory blooms early.
Cornflower. The cornflower attracts bees.
Cornflower. The cornflower attracts bees.
Primrose. The primrose blooms in spring.
Primrose. The primrose blooms in spring.
Aster. The aster looks like a star.
Aster. The aster looks like a star.
Gardenia. The gardenia smells sweets.
Gardenia. The gardenia smells sweet.
Anemone. The anemone dances in the wind.
Anemone. The anemone dances in the wind.
Amazing flowers. Magnolia. The magnolia grows on trees.
Magnolia. The magnolia grows on trees.
Water lily. The water lily floats on water.
Water lily. The water lily floats on water.
Buttercup. The buttercup is yellow.
Buttercup. The buttercup is yellow.
Cosmos. The cosmos flower is delicate.
Cosmos. The cosmos flower is delicate.
Foxglove. The foxglove grows tall.
Foxglove. The foxglove grows tall.
Dahlia. The dahlia has many petals.
Dahlia. The dahlia has many petals.
Hyacinth. The hyacinth smells lovely.
Hyacinth. The hyacinth smells lovely.
Freesia. The freesia has a sweet fragrance.
Freesia. The freesia has a sweet fragrance.
Verbena. The verbena attracts butterflies.
Verbena. The verbena attracts butterflies.
Sweet pea. The sweet peas grow on vines.
Sweet peas. The sweet peas grows on vines.
Flower fun sentences. Bouquet. I gave my mother a bouquet.
Bouquet. I gave my mother a bouquet.
Petal. The petal is soft.
Petal. The petal is soft.
Stem. The stem is green.
Stem. The stem is green.
Leaf. The leaf grows on the stem.
Leaf. The leaf grows on the stem.
Garden. Flowers bloom in the garden.
Garden. Flowers bloom in the garden.
Bee. The bee visits flowers.
Bee. The bee visits flowers.
Butterfly. The butterfly sits on a flower.
Butterfly. The butterfly sits on a flower.
Seed. The seed grows into a flower.
Seed. The seed grows into a flower.
Water. Flowers need water every day.
Water. Flowers need water every day.
Nature. Flowers make nature beautiful.
Nature. Flowers make nature beautiful.
Amazing job, kids! Today we learned 50 flower names and easy English sentences. Fun English speaking practice. Now you can talk about flowers confidently in English. Keep learning, exploring and enjoying the beauty of nature every day. Great job, kids! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye.